This is the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche you inquired about. Really clean truck, inside and out. I take it you had a chance to look at the outside, but you wanted to look at what the inside looks like. It's got new tires on it. The bed liner looks like it's never been actually used. Very well maintained, as you can tell. Backup camera is right in there. You have your backup sensors on this. Tow package. Again, new set of tires. It is a crew cab, like all Avalanches are, I bet. Leather interior. Fans in the back, which the Silverados don't have. Power, heated front seats, trailer braking package, 4x4, Bluetooth. Your backup camera would be in that screen there. Sunroof, storage, leather. Really well maintained leather. All right, bud.